As we continue from the trading plan, so we are at that number three, looking for price action signals that have formed at confluent level in the market. As I earlier explained, that this looking back of this yellow horizontal line, you see what has happened in the past. From there, you have knowledge of what is going to happen in the future. So you have uh, support number one, and then you see the structure, the price action of the market, and this give you a confidence that this is for, you are waiting for the breakout. So when you now say, okay, this will not, with this bearish engulfing very strong, you say, okay, let me take my sell. You can place sell stop and your stop loss in a strategic place up here above this price action. Then look at what will have been your profit in this blue line. What ratio is that? From here, this from your you say stop loss. When you take sell stop, it will be somewhere around here, and your stop loss somewhere around here, and your profit somewhere around here. Is that not double? That's double. That's what you should look for. That kind of market you should be looking for. If you have not seen it, leave the market, go to another pair. There are many peers that will give you what you need. And if you cannot say that, there is still opportunity in the other time. But forcing yourself to the market, doing what is not in the market makes people to fail in that area. So number four is that we have to understand that look at the setup holistically. Will it give you 85% results or 50% results? If you see that with all what I have said from 1 to 3, it will give me 50%, it's better leave the market. When you say 80%, that's higher probability. Oh, take the market and know your amounts you are willing to give away as your losses. Then double what you want to gain. If that has been taken care, then proceed. Don't forget to place your stop loss. Don't forget, if you don't learn it now, it will be very difficult for you. And that is what, there are some in this market, they have made, they were successful, but as time goes on, the ego setting. When ego setting, yeah, I don't need to place stop loss, I know everything. You are not, you are a retailer. I'm also a retailer. So in as much you are not the determinant, you are not the one dictating this market, you have to make sure you define your stop loss very, very well. And always look for ratio 1 to 2 risk reward any trade. That's what we are pushing. When you look at the past trade and able to calculate, you see their outcome. So that is that. The pairs, the currency pair, I've make mention of it the other time when I'm talking of component of trading setup. Now we are looking at the example. Now the sixth one here is that the fifth one is the stop loss and take profits, but the sixth one now is the pair you want to work on. GBP USD or Euro USD, anyone, just master it. Take one pair at a time. Don't take all and place market on there. That's the downfall. You have to take one at a time, master it, study it. You, when they wake you up and when someone say, so, what's this? You merely look at the chart. You're able to say, I know this direction the market have to go to. So, and through that, we're able to succeed in the market. Now, the next one, number 7, is what trading session did this setup form during? When you look at the setup, you look at when is it London session that this setup you see. Then note that you have to look at the number of hours you want to be in the market. If it's a long time, you have to anticipate, have a kind of anticipation that this market will still continue going down. If not, stop at that moment, because the last one that is most important is look at the calendar. There's forex factory I've showed to you the other time. You must know if there is important release for USD. If you are taking GPP USD, you must know is there any important news, especially there's a news that everybody always aware of, non-farmer payrolls. If this thing released, it always affect the market. Though in the price action, all these have been predefined, have been embedded, but know that at that moment, as a retailer, there's a level of impact it will have to you. Therefore, why not wait that that news have been successfully and you're able to progress in what you are doing. So through that, you can succeed in the market. So any question?
So in summary,
Mm.
we talk of up trend, down trend, range.
Yes.
So where will you what is the advice for you for selling opportunity and then buying opportunity among this trend?
This that is a good question. Looking at the peers, especially those peers that are correlated together, at times I said it can those peers that correlate can be anti-correlation at times opposite to one another. But when you look at uh, Euro USD, for example, you look at it very well that okay, London session has opened. You start from look at the daily time frame, it's downtrend, or it's in a respected support. From there, you now go down to 4 hours, look at the structure, you zoom in out, see what the market is doing here, what's going to happen, what you have seen in the daily time, you see it here. From there, you can now deduce that let me wait, let the price actions set up, then you come back for this type of market because it can still continue. Because if you go to the weekly time frame, you still see that the market, the network is somehow not so okay. Let's see. Aha. Look at it now. There's still more space here. After this one has been formed, you can still go further. So just allow the market. But looking at it closely here, you see that it's still downtrend. So now come down to 1 hour, you come to one, the network is okay, good. So seeing it like this, just know that this market you have to wait. Now go to the GPP USD. If it is the same thing, if it's not opposite, from there you can now be waiting either to continue in that trend or going to 15 minutes, seeing that if you can get a buy opportunity for just few minutes and leave the market or continue in the trend of the market. There's a way to buy the pullback, but if you have not mastered it, you just have to pause and look patiently at the market. Look at, can you see that it's the same thing happening here? Look at 1 hour, go to the daily, you can see that it's the same thing. So from there, two, three candles correlate together, you can, from there, it means I have a down trend. I must not buy here until it can reach this bottom, which is support. Be ready, anticipate to buy. But here now, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, sorry, if you want to sell here, you just after drawing your horizontal line, you can see the key level here. You want it to pull back and now sell. You can now, most times in daily, I I define my stop loss from daily or 4 hours, so that when I now go down to 5 minutes, I have no space. Now my profit also the same times two. So you are free from the market maker because you are killed by their side. Because you are not market maker. So that is that. Any other question? Hope I've answered that. Looking for buy opportunity, sell opportunity, just look at the market holistically. Right, look at your checklist, and if all those things are met, those conditions are met, proceed. Any other question before we call it a day? Okay, thank you.